This is a review of the HPS Red Silicone hoses that I'm going to be doing a review on. In this review, we're going to show you guys everything about these silicone hoses. So pretty much my Mustang has been experiencing coolant leak and issues. And from there, I knew something was definitely wrong. From there, I discovered that my rubber hoses, 2 or 3 of the hoses were going out and I saw leaks on the floor. That's when I knew it was time to get a new set of rubber hoses. That's when I discovered HPS. Now, HPS, they don't make rubber hoses. These are silicone hoses, a higher grade level of hoses used for racing applications. So if you do a lot of street racing or you're on the drag strip, these are probably something that you should get for your car, considering the fact that it keeps your car much more cooler. You won't ever have overheating issues on your car because of the fact that these are silicone hoses, not as as you guys know, rubber hoses, they are not really used for this type of applications. But if you are wanting high quality hoses for your car and you want to outlast your hoses as compared to the rubber hoses, then these are probably one of the best ones to get. The reason why I say so, number one, let's talk about number one. It looks absolutely beautiful aesthetically. It changed the whole appearance of my engine bay. But if you're talking about performance wise, it gave me performance wise as well too. My car stays a lot more cooler. I don't really have to even keep putting coolant in my car. As you guys know, if you have rubber hoses, you have to keep checking your fluid levels as well too. For these ones, they held on so fine that I never had to check my coolant as well too, although I usually check it just to be safe. But silicone hoses are really high quality hoses to get for your car, considering the fact that they're used for racing applications. And if you're doing drag racing or on the drag strip, these will keep your car much more cooler as compared to the rubber hoses. Not just that, but I absolutely love the pretty much the hoses that it comes with as well too, to put around it. These are also high quality as well too, and this is something that's also very important for your car as well too, to make sure everything's all tied up right there. And you can see here, everything about this is perfect. The quality, stainless steel quality for pretty much the rings that go around is absolutely high quality as well too. So yeah, if you're looking for some silicone hoses for your Mustang or for any type of car, I would definitely recommend silicone hoses because of the fact that it's absolutely the #1 way to go if you want to keep your car much more cooler. And also if you don't want to get into the overheating issues, then these hoses are probably one of the best hoses to get. And I would definitely recommend the HPS silicone hoses.